You drink from a tumbler every day. Coffee on the commute, water on your desk, iced coffee between meetings. So why does your bottle feel like an afterthought? A great everyday tumbler does more than just hold liquid. It keeps your drinks the right temperature, fits in your cup holder, doesn't leak, and honestly makes the little moments of your day smoother. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. Today we'll walk through 6 tumblers that actually matter in 2026. I'll tell you who each is perfect for, who should skip it, what real world use looks like, and the trade-offs. No fluff, just the stuff that helps you decide. Let's start with the one that everyone's talking about. Stanley Quencher H2.0. If you've been on Instagram, you've probably seen this one. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 is the tumbler that launched 1,000 colorways. And for good reason. A large double-wall vacuum, insulated tumbler that comes with a reusable straw and a big grippy handle. The H2.0 is all about volume and flow. It's available in sizes up to 40 ounce or 1.2 liters. Depending on region, so you're not refilling every hour. It's built to be practical for long days and active use. Why do people love it? It holds a ton of liquid, the flow state straw lets you sip easily while driving or at the gym, and it comes in a huge range of colors, so you can match your aesthetic. It's also relatively affordable for the size and build that you get. Imagine you're running errands, teaching classes, or doing long sessions at a co-working space. You fill this before you leave and it lasts. That means fewer stops, fewer refills, and less chance of leaving a half-finished drink on the table. The wide mouth also makes it easy to add ice or drop in a tea bag. This is for people who want volume, commuters, road trippers, gym folks, and parents who need hydration without constant refills. This is not for minimalists who prefer a slim bottle for a bike cage or tiny cup holder, or people who want a cup that fits into every tiny compact holder. The pros: massive capacity, easy sipping, durable, and lots of colors. The cons, you ask: bulky for small cup holders, heavier when full, and straw lids can be messy if not maintained. If the Quencher is bring everything energy, the next Stanley is more about solving a specific real complaint: spill resistance. The Stanley Quencher ProTour, the spill-proof upgrade. This is Stanley's answer to the people who loved the Quencher but hated the permanent straw and occasional leaks. The Stanley Quencher ProTour keeps the Quencher's volume and insulation but adds a flip-up, sealable straw, and a more leak-proof lid. Specs and details show a rugged, recyclable stainless steel build and a lid designed to lock when not in use. The flip lid secures the straw so you don't end up with liquid in your bag if the bottle tips. It's also lighter and more ergonomic than the full 40-ounce Quencher in some configurations, so you can handle it one-handed comfortably. This is for anyone who liked the Quencher but wanted a true on-the-go tumbler that won't leak in a bag. This is great for hikers, parents, and commuters. This is not for people who prefer the permanent open straw experience, or people who want the clean look of a slim canteen. Also, if you hate extra parts to clean, this adds a little more maintenance. The pros: it's leak reduction, flip straw convenience, similar insulation performance to the H2.0. The cons: it has a slightly more complicated lid to clean, and it's still large for small cup holders. So, those two Stanleys solve the I want huge water and I don't want leaks. But what if you want something sleeker for a daily city life? Lightweight, slide to open, and pocketable. The Owala SmoothSip slider is all about the lid. It features a sliding, spill-resistant mouth that you open and close with one hand. It has smooth, strain-resistant interiors, easy cleaning, and a lid that prevents spills, while still being quick to sip from. Owala has focused on a soft, ergonomic feel and design that doesn't scream outdoor jug. Picture this: you're on the subway or moving from meeting to meeting. You need a quick sip but don't want to open a multi-step lid or deal with condensation running your notes. This is for office commuters, minimalists, or anyone who wants a grab-and-go cup that doesn't look farmyard big. This is not for people who want to add giant chunks of ice, or those who need 40 ounces of hydration during long drives. This is more of a daily commuter cup. The pros: it has sleek lid action, a compact design, and easy to clean options. The cons: smaller capacity than giant tumblers, the slider mechanisms can wear if heavily abused. If the SmoothSip is the elegant city cup, YETI sits in the tough and trustworthy lane, a daily driver classic for decades. The YETI Rambler 20 ounce is less about being flashy and more about being reliable. YETI builds its name on rugged drinkware, and the Rambler 20 ounce is the compact daily driver, dishwasher safe, double wall vacuum, insulated stainless steel, and compatible with YETI lids like the mag slider. This is the thing you take to every workday. It fits in most cup holders, it's easy to wash, and it keeps your coffee hot for hours or your iced drink cold without sweating. It's simple. simple, does the job very well, and feels premium in the hand. This is for people who want durable, easy maintenance, and a brand known for toughness. This is great for office workers, tradespeople, and folks who want something dishwasher safe. This is not for people who want the flash of the Quencher social colors, or huge capacity for multi-hour hydration needs. The pros: it's durable, dishwasher safe, it has great thermal performance for its size, and it has many lid options. The cons: pricier than generic tumblers of the same size, and less capacity than the 40-ounce options. Now let's talk about those big, adventure-ready tumblers that are a hybrid between Quencher volume and YETI toughness. The simple modern 40-ounce Trek tumbler, the versatile giant. The simple modern 40-ounce Trek tumbler is engineered for people who want a lot of capacity, but also want the creature comforts. A handle, 2 straws, cup holder friendly taper, and a leak-resistant lid. It's double-walled 18/8 stainless steel with sweat-free exterior and a durable build. This is your long outdoor daily bottle. Hikes, road trips, or long shifts. You fill it with coffee in the morning and iced water later in the day, and the tapered shape helps the cup holder fit. This is for people who want a big bottle but still need portability. This is not for people who really need small, ultralight bottles for bike cages or minimalist carry. The pros: huge capacity, handle, 2 straw options, and sturdy insulation. The cons: it's tall and heavy when full, and it can be awkward on some car cup holders. Finally, if you want something that reads stylish, eco-conscious, and focused on thermal engineering, S'well has been a leader. The S'well stainless steel water bottle markets itself on sleek design and serious thermal tech. Their original bottle uses S'well triple layer insulation, 2 vacuum layers plus a copper layer, which the brand claims keeps cold for up to 48 hours and hot up to 24 hours in certain sizes. It's also a popular pick for thoughtful gifting and fashion-forward daily carry. This is for design-minded users, urban commuters who want long thermal performance, and people buying a gift that looks nice. This is not for people who need giant capacity or who prioritize rugged outdoor toughness over aesthetics. The pros: it has a classy design, long thermal claims, and no sweat exterior. The cons: pricing can be higher for the design, and it's not the best for ultra rough outdoor use. Here are some quick term explanations. Before we move to the final verdict, here's a quick glossary so nothing sounds like jargon. Vacuum insulation: 2 walls with the vacuum in between. The vacuum stops heat transfer, so hot stuff stays hot and cold stays cold. Double wall triple layer. Double wall is standard for most tumblers. Some brands add extra layers or copper plating to improve insulation performance. Flow state straw versus mag slider lids. Straw lids are for easy sipping. Slider lids or mag sliders reduce spills. The choice depends on whether you prioritize convenience or spill safety. Cup holder friendly means the tumbler will fit most car cup holders. Wide 40-ounce tumblers can be awkward in tight holders. No sweat exterior means the outside won't condense when you have cold drinks. This is a big win for clean bags and desks. Let me give you quick 3 scenarios so you can visualize. The commuter who hates refilling. Go Quencher H2.0 or simple modern 40-ounce. You want capacity and convenience. The Quencher is a cultural icon for a reason. The parent or active person who needs no leaks. Quencher ProTour is a great fit. Big capacity plus a sealed flip straw. Next we have the office worker and minimalist. YETI Rambler 20-ounce or Owala SmoothSip slider. Both are compact enough for cup holders, dishwasher safe-ish, and look professional. The gift buyer, style first. S'well. It's the bottle people pick when aesthetics matter. And finally, the frequent traveler who wants battery levelness performance. The simple modern Trek for a one and done refill, or the Quencher H2.0 for huge capacity. Check the description below for direct links and exclusive deals. The best prices don't last long, so grab yours now. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Epic Deals. We're always hunting for the best gear, the best deals, and expert insights so you never overspend on average equipment again. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using those links helps support this channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.